course, as you rightly pointed out, the open interest yesterday for the Nifty contracts swelled above the 3 lakh contracts. Now, in the last, I think 8 to 9 months, approximately 1 year, there have been 3 previous instances when the open interest has gone above the 3 lakh contracts for the Nifty futures. What is very important is what happens post that when the open interest swells on one side or gets skewed towards one side. So the first data point which actually happened was in the month of September, 30th of September. As you can see on this day, the open interest had jumped up to almost 3,14,000 contracts, which means prior to that there was an addition of shorts. Now when there is a squeezing of short positions, we expect that the short squeeze happens for a couple of days. But in this case, there was a huge covering of short positions and the index rallied significantly from these lows in the 30th of September 2021. Second was the case in 8th March of 2022, where the open interest had jumped up to 3,12,000 contracts for the Nifty futures, and post that we saw a slew of short covering which took the index almost 3,000 points higher from those 15,600 levels. The third was in the month of June, 30th of June, not on the actual bottom of 14th or 16th of June, but on the 30th of June when the open interest had jumped above the 3 lakh contracts, and then you saw a massive rally or a covering of positions. Why is this important? Because yesterday, when on 13th of October, when the markets were going into the important CPI numbers for the US, the open interest for the Nifty again jumped above the 3 lakh contracts for the Nifty. This is why it's a very significant observation, and if you go by the previous 3 observations, it indicates that this could be a start of not just a very short term or a 1 day, 2 day rally, but this could be a start of a very strong round of short covering for the index futures.